So in this Robinhood tutorial video, I will be showing you guys how to buy basic attention token cryptocurrency here on Robinhood. So once Robinhood's opened up, go to the middle bottom here and select the magnifying glass icon. Once you're here, go to the explore page at the top and search by name and just type in the word basic, or you can type in BAT to find basic attention token and then select that. Once you're on this page, go to the bottom and press buy. Now, once you have this page opened up, you can then type in how much of basic attention token you want to purchase. So for example, if you wanted $5 worth, you type in 5 and then press on review. Then you can review the transaction here so you can see how much that you're purchasing, the total fees, the total cost, etc. And if this looks good, go to the bottom and swipe up to submit the order. So very simple, very straightforward. That is how to buy basic attention token here on Robinhood. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.